Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi K90 Pro Max, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's tap on this ringtone option, and we will be transferred to the not pre-installed but online ringtones from which we can choose. It is in the themes, but if you wish to use something from pre-installed ones, you can still tap on this option here, tap on ringtone, and you will be transferred to those which are pre-installed, so you do not need to download anything new. Here all you have to do is to tap on the specific ringtone and decide whether you like it or not, and then tap on it again until you'll see this tick icon, which means that it was set successfully. But I will also show you how to use those ringtones which are online, so which are in the themes. Here we've got different categories from which we can choose the ringtone from, so we've got plenty of options to choose from. Let me choose maybe the party, and here all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it. So just tap on the ringtone and decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I wish to set the Spark music as my ringtone. So all you have to do is to tap on this bell icon here and tap on ringtone. Your device will download the ringtone and show you the information that it was applied successfully. You can also check it here. For some reason it is untitled, however it changed, which means that we just changed the ringtone, and now your device will use it to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.